Making transfers on Fantasy Premier League can be very beneficial for you to gain more points every week. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to trade players or transfer players on FPL or Fantasy Premier League. So at first, you're going to go into PL or Premier League app, and now you're going to go into Fantasy. You're going to search for transfers right here. You're going to click on that and you're going to click on the player that you want to transfer. So Robertson is injured, so I'm going to click on Robertson and you're going to click on replace now. So after clicking on replace, you're going to select the player that you want to transfer him with. So I'm going to transfer him with Van Dijk. You go to next, and after you click on confirm, your player will be transferred, and this is how you transfer players or trade players on FPL. So if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.